Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really yum smoothie for you, peanut butter and berry protein smoothie using just these ingredients. And there's as much protein in the smoothie as if you'd use protein powder, but as you can see there is no protein powder here. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which you can click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make this smoothie. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this smoothie a try and what adaptations you make. So the ingredients we have today, I'm using frozen berries. I've got these mixed berries. I'm going to use about a quarter, half a cup, just as many as I'd like to. We've got chia seeds. Now those are optional, but they add in some protein and so much nutrition. They're just little nutritional powerhouses and I love them in smoothies. And peanut butter. I've got smooth peanut butter over there. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons depending how much you like. And now for the milk and yogurt, I'm going for this beautiful Irish raspberry yogurt. I'm going to use the little tub of yogurt that I've got there, but if you're following a low carb diet or a paleo or vegan diet, go for as low carb or as dairy free, whatever fits your lifestyle. And same goes for the milk. I'm using beautiful organic whole milk, but use any milk you like, non-dairy milk, coconut milk, anything you like. So we're going to get on and pop it all together now. I'm going to use my NutriBullet over here. I've got the smaller of the cups and I'm just going to measure out the ingredients one by one. Starting with milk, and I'm going to pop in 3/4 of a cup of my beautiful milk, but as I said, use any milk you like. I thought if I've just got 1/4 of a cup here, I can measure out as I go, 1/4 at a time. I'm going to do probably half a cup, so 2 of these of berries next. And the frozen berries I'm using are mixed berries, and it really is a little mixed bag of all different berries. Use as many berries as you like. I just love this little mixed bag because I really do get a mixture. Look at that. We've got strawberry, there's raspberries in there, blueberries, all kinds of berries. And next I'm going to add in this whole little tub of yogurt, but really any yogurt you like. And this has also got some berry flavor down the bottom. So you could also add a bit of berry jam, whatever you like. Berry yogurt. But yeah, I'm no longer low carb keto, so I just try and go for nice wholesome ingredients like this. And this is perfect. And for the chia seeds, go 1-2 tablespoons, again, as much as you want. The more you include, the higher the carbs as well as protein they'll be, because they're just full of it. And finally, the peanut butter. And again, as I've said, I keep repeating myself, as much or as little as you want. That is 1 huge tablespoon of peanut butter. I prefer to go for a tablespoon first, mix it up, taste, and then just add a bit more peanut butter. I'll keep the spoon handy to maybe add a bit more. You may need to add some stevia or your sweetener of choice into your smoothie, but my yogurt is sweet enough and I feel the berries and everything will bring enough flavor, but I may still add. I'll just see how it tastes. So we'll get it onto blend now. Okay, let's pop it onto blend now. And there we go, and it's done. I would definitely suggest tasting to make sure you're happy with the taste, and then pour it into a glass and enjoy. So I'm just going to pour it out. And if you're a fan of all things peanut butter and jam, peanut butter and berry, you're going to absolutely love this smoothie. Look how beautiful and thick it is. Yum. There we go. So that is the video for today for this beautiful peanut butter and berry smoothie. Oh, it's all just dripping down the side. Looks amazing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment too. Let me know if you give this recipe a try. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post with the full recipe and some adaptations too, and some reminders how to make it low carb, keto, vegan or paleo friendly. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.